I have my exclusive beauty bag. So if you want to see what January's ritual is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe is just off doing her thing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the exclusive beauty box, and it is all skincare, all dermatologist recommended skincare. So we get some great brands in here. This is, however, my last bag for a while. I had to make some reductions, and this is just, it's repetitive. I have other beauty bags or boxes that I really enjoy, as well as this. This is a wonderful one, though. Not a lot of people get it, and I'm not sure why. I'm not seeing this being unboxed, but the price is nice for what you're getting. You're getting some real value in it. I'll probably pick it up sometime in the future, but one of my dogs needed emergency surgery on Christmas night, so I'm gonna make some cutbacks until I can catch back up. Okay, so let's start off with this first product, big and heavy, by Xerafit. It is the Ultra Rich Body Cream Barrier Repair Moisturizer. And my computer's about to die, but I'm hoping to get a little information for you. This is 8.5 ounces and it is a $40 value, so already the whole bag is paid for. Now, if you get this as a one-time, it's much more expensive than getting it as a recurring subscription, but you do go month to month, and you can always cancel it after the first month if you chose to do that. I have really enjoyed it, and I know a couple of you out there have also purchased this, so I'm hoping you've enjoyed it as well. And again, I do look to go back to it at some point in the future once I've caught up a little bit. I do not believe there's a scent. It doesn't say anything about a scent on there, and I don't want to open it up. Next, by Elta MD, is their UV AOX Elements SPF 50 Tinted Face Sunscreen. And this is a universal tint. I've actually had this in a small, and I really liked it and used it, so I'm glad to get a large one. This is 1.7 ounces, and it's a $46 value. All right, next we have like a little spa band. I'm not going to open that up. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to set it aside. I have so many of those. By MD Solar Sciences, we have their Wash Away One-Step Cleanser. This has hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, pineapple extract, and vitamin B5. And this is a $15 value. Tested on acne-prone skin, it says. Next, by Revision Skincare, which is a very pricey brand, we have their DEJ Eye Cream. This is a comprehensive moisturizer for firming the total eye area, and this is 0.25 ounces. It is $70 right here. So I'm super excited to try this. There is how it looks. So it says it addresses hooding and droopiness in addition to total eye area. It also does crepiness, particularly under eye, as well as fine lines, crow's feet. Okay, super excited for that one. By Elta MD, we have their UV AOX Eye Tinted Sunscreen. This is a full size of 0.4 ounces, and it retails for $50. So, I mean, I'm telling you, you can't beat the value in this box. It's like $30-something. It's like $39, but I mean, first product right out the gate, and everything else is free. If you're a skincare lover, this is definitely a great one for you. And then we have 3 samples of the Skin Medica Neck Correct Cream. And this is a pricey brand, and we have 3. So these together will come out to a not so bad size. Each one is 0.07 ounces or 2 grams. So the full size is 50 milliliters. We have 0.07 ounces. So with 3 of them, it is 0.21 ounces. And so we're going to get at least probably 6 to 8 treatments out of this versus if we just got one. The price point, you're only getting about $2 worth of the product, but it is a nice way to try it out. Not that I'm going to be paying $135 for that, but I think this is a great bag. I mean, we're getting 3 of the same sample, which means we're getting enough to use it and to see if it works, unlike 3 separate samples that we're only getting not enough to see if it works. So I am still pretty happy with that. I think this is a great bag. I think the value's there. If you love skincare, check it out. I don't have a referral code. The price is just what the price is, but it's a great bag. It's a great company. I've had no issues. This is like the first bag I get in. I just didn't open it yet because we had so much going on. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.